parang big name na din kasi yung name ni ni Donaire. Kilala na rin kasi sa West. So,
Donaire is not a household name. But Donaire is not a household name.
I think he is
I don't know, but he's popular Parang ganun kasi yung
with all respect to Nonito, I don't think he's a household name. And if I'm going to do a heat check analytics namin, it doesn't show that he is.
Si Inoue talagang maraming hindi makakilala sa Pilipinas.
Oo, hindi niya talaga.
Bago lang
story in Japan.
Bago lang.
So, I don't think he's a household name here in the Philippines, probably in Japan. But para sa akin, as a Filipino, I think marami na, kasi artista na rin si Nonito Donaire. What your thoughts on this one? And this is the two-part question. Is Naoya Inoue a household name?
No, it's not. It's not a household name. It's definitely a Japanese, I would say he's a Japanese pound per pound superstar, but he's not a household name. Kasi, tingnan mo sa sa US na lang, 'di ba? Yung kailan ba yung huling laban niya? Was it Dasmariñas when he last fought in the US?
Matagal na.
Oo. Sorry, may nag-e-echo. Pero, they put him in an arena na medyo maliit pa lang. Because again, he's yet to penetrate the Western market eh. He is, popularly known sa Japan.
Tayo is he a household name in Japan, you think? Kaso hirap
probably in Japan, yes. Probably, alam mo kasi sa Japan, ang hirap eh. Kasi may sarili silang mundo dun eh. Di ba?
Yes,
manood ka nga lang ng fight ng Japan, ang hirap eh. Di ba? Dati ako, kinukuha kong reporter ng MMA Japan. Diyos ko, wala akong makuha. Hindi nga hata sila gumagamit ng Facebook, yung karamihan. So, nahihirapan ako. He is probably, but sinasabi ng isang beses nga, napag-usapan namin ni Winter, another big name sa Japan is si Shinya Aoki. Di ba? Kasi ayun, big star sa MMA. He feels, arenas, nagpo-pro wrestling pa. Di ba? He's an icon, he's a legend, and he's been doing that for how many, for decades, at least a decade now. So, ayun, may chance sila eh. They could get to that. Pero again, sa ngayon, hindi natin alam kung magagawa nila. Sana.
Yeah, so I have a belief that in order for you to be a legend or a household name, you need to beat a household name.
Sorry?
Do you think in order for you to be a legend or a star or a household name, you need to beat a star?
Yes.
Do you think Casimero? You have to have a good dance partner.
Yes, correct. Yung sinasabi lagi ni Attorney Ed, it takes two to tango. Parang si Manny Pacquiao, di ba? Talaga naman sumabog yung popularity niya after he defeated Oscar De La Hoya. Same thing can be said with Floyd Mayweather. Maraming hindi nakakilala kay Floyd Mayweather until that Oscar De La Hoya fight. So, totoo yun. Para ka mapunta sa awareness ng mga tao na hindi babad sa sport, kailangan mong mag-penetrate doon sa mga casuals. And sino bang kilala ng mga casuals? Siyempre, yung mga bigger names.
Correct.
For just to add inputs. But for me, sa akin lang Naoya Inoue I'll just consider that Naoya Inoue is a household name because parang parang big name na din kasi yung name ni Donaire. Kilala na rin kasi sa West.
Donaire is not a household name. But Donaire is not a household name.
I think
I don't know, but he's popular Parang ganun kasi yung parang naririnig ko rin kasi lagi dun sa ibang
with all respect to Nonito, I don't think he's a household name. And if I'm going to do a heat check analytics namin, it doesn't show that he is. With all respect to Nonito, remember the time when he went back to fight in the Philippines sa co-main event ni Donnie Ahas Nietes a few years back sa Astrodome? They're unable to fill the seats. That's just the Astrodome that we're talking about. Again, that's not with all respect kay Nonito, but I don't think he is. He's popular, yes.
Yeah.
But I don't think he is kasi may mga kilala akong sa family namin na hindi siya hindi familiar sa kanya.
Yun nga yung tanong ko sana.
Dito kasi sa atin, guys, what you have to understand.
If you have to ask your wife, do you know this person? And if majority of the household that's not a follower of boxer knows him, then he may be a household name.
Si Inoue, hindi niya kilala.
Si Inoue talagang maraming hindi makakilala sa Pilipinas.
Oo, hindi niya
bago lang
in Japan.
Bago lang.
So, I don't think it's a household name here in the Philippines, probably in Japan. But para sa akin, as a Filipino, I think marami na, kasi artista na rin si Nonito Donaire
there was a time kasi malaki ang push ng ABS-CBN sa kanya, di ba? Tatanda mo, nag-singing bee pa yan. Kumanta pa yan ng, di ba? So
Kaya pati
he was
nanay
being
ko
pushed
at
really
saka
hard
tiyo
by
ko at saka asawa ko kilala si Nonito Donaire. He doesn't know his fight. He knows he's a boxer.
Yeah.
So,
But then again,
para sa akin,
you would have to question why he wasn't able to sit butts dun sa Astrodome, di ba? Isipin nyo nga guys, si Manny Pacquiao nag-basketball lang. Basketball yun sa Philippine Arena, kita nyo. Dinubog ng tao. Sino ba naman manonood ng basketball kay Manny Pacquiao? Mas magaling pa hata si Winter TV mag-basketball doon kung basketball lang ang usapan. But since he is Manny Pacquiao and everything he does, very popular ang, di ba, he's that popular na kahit anong gawin niya, panonoorin ng tao, nagawa niya yun, di ba? Kaya nga gustong-gusto rin siya sa PBA. Akalain mo, dinraft nga yung sarili niya, di ba? Siya yung first pick ng sarili niya. Pinanood siya ng mga tao. I don't know, kung si Donito Donaire, paglaruin mo ng basketball sa Mall of Asia Arena, ewan ko kung may manonood. Again, with all respect kay Donito, he's a star, but I just don't think he is that big of a star from at least my point of view. Sa nakikita kong numbers from our end.
Okay.
Yes. I don't think that he is a superstar at all, Sir JM. Lalo na, di ba, siya naman, lagi lang din naman siya undercard na mga kagaya nun, di ba, yung kay Pacquiao versus Jesse Vargas, co-main event lang siya that time. But Nonito Donaire talaga legend siya. Yun lang talaga masasabi ko. Pero he's not really a big name na talagang kilala sa buong mundo.
Yeah, again, I would say that he's very popular. Alam niyo kasi guys, what you have to understand is dito sa Pilipinas, when we talk about sports, honestly, mas marami pang audience ang sabong Mas marami pang nanonood ng volleyball at mas higit na mas maraming nanonood ng basketball. So, ang hirap mag-penetrate ang hirap. It takes someone special to do that. It takes someone who is relatable sa mga masa. Tulad ng story ni Manny Pacquiao. Why is he so popular? Kasi his background, 'di ba? His rags to riches story is very relatable sa lahat sa mga tao. So,